Played rugby and cricket at these playing fields many a day. 8 years and maybe more, but I didn't know the history that lay quiet and still beneath my feet. Years later, I gathered these precious words and put them all into a book. The heritage trail I created brought the past to life, and folk could join me for a dander, and I could tell them what I knew. There's stories to discover here in this beautiful quiet space, and a rich history too, far more than meets the eye. A meeting house and an ancient burial ground are scattered here. A Neolithic tomb has watched over this land 5,000 years or more. Graceful branches of a liberty tree still carry memories of united Irishmen. They gathered here at the ancient rath some 300 years ago, just before the battle began. Sure, if it longer I could tell you so much more. Folk talked about books here. There was a poet's corner. There were markets for cows and sows and other animals, and a blacksmith plied his trade. Are you ready to hear these tales and step back with me into days gone by? Then come and walk with me through Rufford and let the stories unfold.